Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you the three fastest moving developments in Jamaica. Now you know a lot of developments are taking place in almost every parish, but these three are the ones that are moving the fastest. Now at number 3 is the Mammee Bay Roaring River development that is being done by China Harbour Engineering Company. This is it that we're looking at. At number 3 is the Czech Roaring River development located in St. Anne and led by the China Harbour Engineering Company. Known for their mega infrastructure projects, Czech is now turning its focus to large-scale real estate and tourism ventures. The Roaring River development is envisioned as a mixed-use ecotourism community that blends luxury accommodations with natural beauty. The site is strategically positioned near the tourism corridor with plans for resort villas, recreational areas, and supporting infrastructure. Construction crews are actively on the ground with heavy machinery, roadworks, and site clearing already in motion. While still in the early phase, the project has gathered momentum quickly thanks to Czech's strong financial backing and experience in executing large developments. So what we're looking at is the phase 1, which is sold out, and this is 160 acres will make up phase 1. The entire development is 740 acres, but this is just phase 1. And it's as if within a month these homes have gone up. Some of them even look close to being finished. I mean, this is China Harbour Engineering Company, so very impressed with how fast this development is moving. Look at that structure at the bottom of the screen. It's painted. It's painted. That's how fast they're moving. And they're doing it, it's a lot of units, as you can see. So this one is in St. Anne in Mammee Bay, right where the two highways merge. Highway 2000 north-south leg and a northern coastal highway. Now, number 2 is the Unico Hotel. Now, this is just a preview of what is to come. This is a 451-room hotel, Unico, in Lilliput, Montego Bay. But beside it, to the right, they are going to be building a massive Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. So if you think this development is moving fast, straight ahead where you see that to the right of the screen, that is where they're going to be building the Hard Rock. It's the same company, RCD Hotel Group, that's going to build it. Ranked second is the Unico Hotel Jamaica, now under rapid construction in Lilliput, just outside Montego Bay. This high-end, adults-only, all-inclusive resort is being developed by RCD Hotels, the same group behind global hospitality brands such as Hard Rock Hotels. Located along the pristine stretch of coastline in Lilliput, this resort is part of a growing cluster of luxury properties on the northwest coast. The Unico brand, already known for its ultra-luxury resort in Mexico, is expected to bring a fresh blend of sophistication, culture, and all-inclusive convenience to the Jamaican market. Construction progress is impressive. Unico is expected to become one of Jamaica's premier luxury destinations, offering a unique blend of global elegance and local flair. The wind is blowing the drone all over the place. Okay, well, number 1 shouldn't be any surprise to anybody. This is the Pinnacle, the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica at 28 floors, and the 4 tallest buildings in the English-speaking Caribbean. There is a structure in the Dominican Republic that is 42 floors, Anaconda, but that's a Spanish-speaking country. So in the English-speaking Caribbean, this is the tallest building, and it is moving at lightning speed. Just the other day we were here, and now it's at 17 floors. We're going back in 2 weeks, it's probably going to be at 20 odd floors. So right now you're looking at 17 floors. So 11 more floors will be going on to this massive structure. And this is Tower 1. They're going to be building 4 towers. And we are out by Reading in Montego Bay. Look at that view. Really impressed with this development. Alright guys, let us know what you think about our list. If there's another development that you think should have been in the top 3, let us know. And there are other developments that are going to start that are massive. But these are the 3 fastest moving ones that, in other words, these are already in progress. These are already being built. And these are the 3 fastest moving ones. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.